Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. In today's video, we are going to explore powerful web application security testing tool called SKIPFISH. If you are interested in identifying vulnerabilities and securing your web application, then you are in the right place. Let's open our terminal. Sudo apt update. Our package is successfully updated. Let's install SKIPFISH by running sudo apt install SKIPFISH. Sudo apt install SKIPFISH. Once the installation is completed, the installation is completed, we are ready to dive in. If you need more information about SKIPFISH related tool, simply go SKIPFISH Kali Linux. Click on first link. This is the official website of Kali Linux, and more information about SKIPFISH is given there as a reference, or how to use SKIPFISH, and also about how to install SKIPFISH tool. To start a scan with SKIPFISH, run the SKIPFISH command with the appropriate option. For example, you can use option O for specified directory where the scan result will be saved. Um, Now let's run SKIPFISH on our targeted website. Use the command skipfish-o for output directory. SKIPFISH skipfish-o target, and paste the URL. Press any key to continue the scan, and our scan is started. You can see the timer has been started. The first scan is scan for static, and the second is for database static. And here are the issue founds, like 20 information and 2 low vulnerabilities found. It takes time like 2 to 5 minutes for scanning, and control C for abort the scan. Let's abort the scan, and our file, the report has been generated. Once the scan is completed, the SKIPFISH will generate a detailed report highlighted any vulnerabilities it's found. Take the time to review the vulnerability and understand the security issue that we are identified. Let's find our open folder, targeted machine. Let's find index.html file, and here is the index.html file. Open, and if you see, there is many vulnerabilities found, like HTML form with no approved XSRF protection, numerical file name consider enumerating, and new HTTP cookies is added. This is tool for web applications scanning, not for application scanning. Remember, it's crucial to always obtain the proper authorization before scanning any website. Unauthorized scanning can have serious legal consequences. Be responsible and ethical in your action. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial on SKIPFISH is helpful. If you did not forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for exciting hacking tutorials. Stay safe and stay secure.